Hello students, hope you all are fine. I Miss Nehari Topiola, social science teacher, going to start with the third chapter, ancient towns and scriptures. How were the towns and how were the things at that time in ancient time we are going to see in this chapter. Ancient towns and scriptures. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know its meaning? Culture is a matter related to human life, while civilization is developed by human being which he creates with his own caliber, skill and creative skills. Now you must have oftenly heard these words culture and civilization. What does they mean? So culture is what is related to human life, means what kind of culture we people are following, we people are using it. While civilization is developed by us only. We have developed the civilization by our own skills, our own creative skills, our own ideas, our own thinking power, and that is known as civilization. We have only created it. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society, and these are some countries that they have created a very vast example of civilization of human society. Centuries old civilization still inspires human life. We have seen old civilizations, पुराने ज़माने के things that we are still inspired by these things. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization. From all those civilization, old civilization, in this chapter we are going to study about the civilization, how the people have civilized this Harappan city. We are going to see in this chapter. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. Remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. Now Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. It was given the name as Indus Valley civilization also. And what were the remains? Remains means जो कुछ भी बचा कुचा था at that time, while finding out this civilization, they discovered they have known first discovered from Harappa, means whatever things were been discovered from Harappan civilization, and their remains whatever was left was in 1921. Many of the places the civilization in the northwestern part of India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholevera, Kalibagan, Rakhigadi, etc. Many of the places the civilization means in the northwestern part of India, they include this all things, this all places like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholevera, Kalibagan and Rakhigadi, etc. See the location of places of Harappan civilization in map 3.1. See, these are the places over here situated. You must have, we can see many of the places over here, like Lothal we can see downwards, then Dholevera we can see, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibagan, Rakhigadi, Harappa. All these are the places from the northern side of the India, northwestern side of India. Let's get introduced of town planning of some of the major cities and their features. Now we are going to introduce about the town planning. How was the town of that Harappan time? How was it developed? How was it? So let us look forward towards it. Town planning. Town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. All the towns were planned in a similar way. In all places, fort was on westward side and the colony of common people on the east side. Now, how was the town planning of Harappan people? Though it was considered to be the most important feature of Harappan civilization, that all the towns in that Harappan civilization were planned in a similar way. Means they all were in a same manner. The in the places fort was, means fort जो किले होते थे, that was on the westward side. All the forts were on the westward side, and the colony of common people, means common people staying over there, was all on the east side. Highway separated both of them. The fort on the west was surrounded by a fortress, most probably rulers who have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structures. Let's study about various features of Harappan civilization. So highway separated both of them, means there was a highway, westward side was different and eastward side was different. They have both have different highways. The fort on the west was surrounded by fortress, means the people there staying, rulers who were staying, they were living in that fort, and bricks were used in this town's structures. And what are the various features? Let's study further. Main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Their houses were arranged in so well mannered way that it became its main feature. Houses were constructed on high platform to protect them from flood and dampness. Means houses were on a height. They were on a height because the problem of flood and dampness couldn't arise there, and to get protection against that, it was constructed on a high platform. One of the feature of houses of Harappa was that the main gate opened in the lanes rather than towards the main road. Now, what was the main feature? That the main gate of there were open in the lanes and not towards the main road. Means the gate were all open towards the lane side. Here, single and double stored houses were seen. Means एक माले दो माले तीन एक माले और दो माले के घर. Stored means 1 and 2. Double means 2. Roads were very comfortable. There were 2 highways in the city, one of which connected north with south and other connected east with west. So I told you as that the highways were separated for both. So one were connected with north, connected north with south, and other was connected with east to west. Now you can see this public bath Mohenjo-daro. We will see in the picture, you can see, but we will study what it is. Here streets were parallel to the main roads. Road intersect each other at right angles. Streets were parallel to main road means at the both streets जो रास्ते होते थे, that were parallel, same, in the same manner, and roads intersect means they get connected to each other at right angles. Roads and street were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into square and rectangular sections. Now roads and street means I told you that road intersect each other at right angles. So just imagine that the roads which they have constructed over there of the whole town, it could be divided, means all the sides were divided into square and rectangle section, means it looked like squares from wherever you see, squares or rectangular shape. Evidence of night light system has also been obtained on public road. You must have seen the street lights in our today's town. So in this way, at that time also, at that period also, they were having the night light system over there on the public road. There was highly developed and systematic system for disposal of water in Harappan civilization. As we are having disposal line of water, wastewater, in the same way they were also having a systematic system. They were also highly developed at that time. Think, we are now using the high tech things of disposal of water. So they were also having that type of highly developed thing. The water from each house flowed into smaller sewer, and from small sewer to the larger sewer. Now, whatever wastewater was going, it was flowed into small pipelines, and then from small it was connected to the large. Water from large sewer flowed out of the city town, means it was flushed then out of the town only. in such way it was constructed. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. See, you can see a public bath over here, means people used to have a bath over there. In the center of this public bath is a pond for bathing. See, you can see over here there are steps all from both the sides that they can get down, and in the middle there is a pond in which water was filled and people used to bath over there. There are steps arranged on both the sides to get into the pond. Means there were steps. See, I told you now, in both the sides there were steps and people used to get down through the steps and they used to have a bath in that pond. There are changing rooms around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festivals or religious occasions. In addition to this, pillared houses used as assembly halls have also been found in Mohenjo-daro. Now around that pond, means public bath, there were changing rooms also. People used to change clothes over there, and this public bath was occasionally used when there was any festival or any religious occasion was there. At that time mostly people used this public bath. And in addition to this, there were pillared house, means houses were there, पिल्लर वाले जो घर होते थे, that was there, and they were used for assembly halls, means they used to gather there for any type of meeting or like that. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization. The main feature of Harappa is its granary. About 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of river Ravi. Now Harappa is considered an archaeological site. Why it was considered an archaeological site? Because the remains have been found from that place, and from that it came to know that Harappa was an archaeological thing, and it is located. Where it was located? It was located in Montgomery district of Punjab, but recently it is in Pakistan. Harappa must have been, it was the main town of Indus Valley civilization, and the main feature of Harappa was its granary, means how to store the grain in it. And they have found on the bank of Ravi river 12 grain stores, means 12 ऐसे grain जहाँ पे वो अनाज स्टोर करके रखते थे. There were 12 cottage like that. Lothal is situated on the bank of river Bhogavo, river in Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district. Lothal was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient times. Now next was Lothal. Lothal के बारे में what they are saying, the Lothal was situated on the bank of Bhogavo river in Dholka Taluka, and that was in Ahmedabad district. Now Lothal was considered as commercial port, means shipping took place over there for the transportation of goods. A structure made of bricks have been found in Lothal. It is considered that it must have been a dockyard. Dockyard means where the goods were loaded and unloaded, means ship जो आती थी वहाँ पे उसको जहाँ पे उसका स्टेशन होता था, that was known as dockyard. It can be assumed that the vessels arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. Means vessels means जो ships आती थी, and from the ships the things which were loaded and unloaded means यहाँ से दूसरी जगह भेजना, and दूसरी जगह से जो चीज़ आती है उसे unloading करना, means it should be removed, the things should be removed. So in this way, it was considered as a commercial port. In addition, warehouses and beads factory have also been found over here. Warehouses means go down type things, and bead factory, moti jo hote the, that was also found over here. So it can be said that Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient India, and international trade of Harappan civilization has been done through the port of Lothal. So it was considered as an important port of ancient India. Lothal was biggest port considered as an international trading system was done over here, means bringing of goods and sending of goods to other countries, and it was considered an important port of Harappan civilization. You can see in this picture, it is the dockyard of Lothal port, means where the ships were coming over here for loading and unloading of goods. Now next we will see about Dholevera. Dholevera is an archaeological site located in the Kadirbed area in Bhauchau Taluka in Kutch district. You must have heard this place name. The Dholevera was also located in Kadirbed area in Bhauchau Taluka, and that is in the Kutch. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts, bilateral, while the towns of Dholevera is divided into three parts, trilateral. Means Harappan towns were there that were divided into two parts. Bilateral means two, and the Dholevera was divided into three parts, that is trilateral. The first is Citadel Fort, Upper Town, Lower Town. The main speciality of Dholevera town is rainwater harvesting system and stadium. So how this Dholevera was divided into three parts, that is Citadel Fort, Upper Town and Lower Town. And what was their main speciality? So their main speciality was rainwater harvesting, that how they used to save the rainwater, and their big stadium. Now next about Kalibagan. Kalibagan town of Rajasthan was the headquarter of agriculture revolution in Harappan civilization. Means it was considered to be the agriculture part of the Harappan civilization. The remains of farm here provide proof of this. Means whatever it was material used in farming over there have given this proof about the thing. The copper residue found here proves that copper tools must have been manufactured here, and these tools might have been used in agriculture. So many such things we use in agriculture, right? So that were the remains, copper tools were been found over there, and this was considered, and from that things, whatever remains that found from there was considered that over here people in Harappan civilization did agriculture also. Thus, the town planning of Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned, and efficient. Now, you understood about the town planning, how the town planning of Indus civilization was done. It was very well organized, it was very well engineered, means great engineers have done all these things. Well planning was done, and with great efforts. It is a wonderful reflection of the governing power of ruling elite, the intelligence of engineer, and the craftsmanship of the craftsman. So it was the mixture for all, means they all have worked together to make that Harappan civilization a archaeological site. So all the people were working, and it was the efforts of all the people, मेहनत सबकी थी, चाहे वो गवर्निंग पावर हो, या फिर इंटेलिजेंट इंजीनियर्स हो, या फिर क्राफ्टमैन्स हो जो शिपिंग के लिए काम आते हैं. सो ऑल दिस पर्सन, ऑल विद दैट मच ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट, इक्वल इम्पॉर्टेंट they exist in the development of Harappan civilization. So I hope you all have understood about the town planning of Indus Valley civilization.